Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're making an organizer for hair clips, so let's get right on with this video. So the first thing that you will need is this dowel. I got mine at Walmart and I just hung it up on the wall. That's how I'm going to be working on it. Next you will need yarn. I already pre-cut my pieces to make it easier. I'm using 2 different yarns, but you can use the same or even more than 2 different colors. It's up to you. So first, to start off, we're going to be using 3 strands. You put them in half. Get over the stick. Loop through. Like that. So now we have 6 strands. And with this, we're going to braid a simple braid with 2 strands each. You want to braid it too tight, just like loosely. Now that I'm at the end of it, what you do is take it and tie a knot. Pull it a little bit to the bottom. Tie it tight. And that's your first strand. Now I'm gonna go with my other yarn. For this, I'm just doing 2 strands. These ones I will not be braiding. This is just for space so that when we put the clips, they're not super close to each other. And then I will do a braid and then 2 of no braids all the way to the end. Okay, so I'm done braiding all of them. If this is how you like it, you can leave it like this, but I want the bottoms to be straight. So I'm going to cut it. First I'm going to go in with the braid and trim them. Okay, now I'm gonna cut my other yarn even with Okay, so now it's time for the fun part, which is creating all your clips. Okay guys, so this is the finished product. Obviously there's space for more clips in the future, but I just spaced it out with the clips that I have. So that's it. Thanks for watching and come back for more videos. Bye.